Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos in an OTG. Preheat your OTG to 200 degrees C, then arrange chips on a tray in a single layer. Scatter cheese, beans, and cooked protein evenly, leaving small gaps for airflow. Bake until cheese melts, about 5 to 8 minutes, then switch to grill for 1 to 3 minutes to brown. Top with fresh salsa, sour cream, and jalapeños before serving warm. Start by arranging chips in a shallow layer, avoiding heavy stacks that block heat. Sprinkle a moderate amount of cheese over chips, then add beans or cooked meat, and repeat a thin second layer if needed. This technique creates melted cheese pockets throughout each bite. Bake until the cheese is fully melted and edges crisp, then add fresh salsa, guacamole, and sour cream after baking to preserve texture and flavor. Maintain 200 degrees C to melt cheese without drying out toppings, and watch the oven through the window. Typically 5 to 8 minutes is enough to soften and blend flavors. For a golden finish, switch to grill for about 1 to 3 minutes, keeping a close eye to avoid burning. Rotate the tray if your OTG has hot spots. Remove when cheese bubbles and edges crisp, then let nachos rest briefly before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.